Platform at 3 a.m. The lights are dim, wheels rolling over silence. I'm caving in, ticket in my palm, already wearing thin. This train